Mount Trashmore is a part of Linn County history.
It started as a quarry. In 1965, it opened as a landfill and became the primary landfill for the city of Cedar Rapids.
For years, people talk about, what are we going to do with Mount Trashmore when it does close? You know, can we ski down it? Can we sled down it? Can we put a ski lift on it so it can go down to Czech Village? There's all these different ideas about what to do with Mount Trashmore, and then all those got put on hold when the floods hit.
We had a devastating flood in our community in 2008, and the landfill was reopened. Literally peeled back the cap and landfilled another 400,000 tons of debris. And these were homes, the contents of homes, people's lives, all put on top of a mound that was the landfill.
You know, this is such a big part of downtown Cedar Rapids. It's just this huge visual reminder, you know, how can we turn this into an asset? What can we do? What can we do safely? What can we do that's going to make it fun? Something that people in the community are going to want to come and try. And so that's what led to first, what's the best thing about it? The view. It's the most spectacular view in all of Linn County.
We decided to move forward with planning and build an overlook. Let people go up and see the city. And it has spiraled from there into this really cool project. Flow trail, a bike trail, a walking trail. We're utilizing the view, we're utilizing the location, and we're talking about the story.
It's turning into something that people can use for recreation, for exercise, and it took a piece of the past and made it into something better.
Our events have gone from school kids all the way up to the retired community. Bike groups, clubs, walking groups, lunchtime, noon groups. It is a meeting place. It's a point, a vista, if you will, where folks can get together and talk about the community. The folks that we have taken up there and listened to them talk, that grew up in the neighborhood, they have great stories to tell. So I think it brings people together.
When you get people down there, you know, they're walking on a closed landfill, so there's that opportunity there to educate. Like, we've taken something that was just garbage and turned it into a community asset.
How much garbage? How many years? It really prompts questions when you start talking about the history of the site and what they're standing on. It is an excellent opportunity to say, here's what we did, here's what we're doing, here's what we hope happens in this industry.
It's an opportunity for us to let people know about all the different things that the Solid Waste Agency is doing for Linn County.
I think we're going to have a really informed community about landfills, because they're definitely learning just walking.
This really could be a model for another landfill. Like, when it closes down, they can say, what can we do with this? Instead of just leaving it as a passive space, it's part of the community. How do we make it a community asset? We were really honored to receive this award from ISASWA because it's coming from our peers. It's people who are in the industry, people who are operating landfills, work at landfills, understand everything that goes into them, the commitment that you have to make to it. We're taking this chance, we put so much work into it, and to be recognized for it, it's pretty great.